hello. Your dominant hand is coming out from your see you later. You're doing the sign for see and flipping it to later. See you later. See you later. I or me. You're just pointing with your index finger towards yourself. I or me. Father. Father. It's the 5 hand, but the top of the head, where the masculine part is. Father. Mother. Mother. It's the 5 hand on your chin. Mother. Yes. Yes. Your hand is representing your head, nodding. Yes. No. No. It's like the letter N and O put together. No. Help. Help. The old sign used to be help, like somebody was helping somebody across the street, and then it changed into help. Please. Please. It's a flat hand making a circle on your chest. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Your hand is coming out from your chin. Thank you. Want. Want. You have bent 5 hands, bringing it in towards yourself. Want. What? What? Your 5 hands are kind of bent in together, moving in and out. What? Dog. Dog. It's just like you're getting a dog. Dog. Cat. Cat. It's the cat's whiskers. Cat. Again, or repeat. Your dominant hand is coming into the middle of your hand. Again, or repeat. Eat. Food. Eat. Food. When you're eating, it goes in, and food goes twice. Eat. Food. Milk. Milk. It's just like you're milking a cow. Milk. More. More. Their flat O hands touching together. More. Go to. Go to. Your index fingers can move wherever you go to. Go to.